Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AETV on Apple TV. Easy setup step by step clearly. To activate AETV on your Apple TV, start by turning on your Apple TV. Navigate to the App Store from the main menu. In the search bar, type AETV and press enter. Locate the AETV app in the search results. Select the AETV app to open its details page. Click on the Get button to download the app. Once the app is installed, go back to the home screen. Locate the AETV app icon and select it to launch the app. When the app opens, you will see an activation code displayed on the screen. Make a note of this activation code. Now, grab your smartphone or computer and open a web browser. Visit the activation website, aetv.com/activate. Log in with your cable or streaming provider account if prompted. Enter the activation code you noted from your Apple TV. After entering the code, click Activate. A confirmation message will appear once the activation is successful. Now, return to your Apple TV. The app will refresh and you will have full access to AETV content. Enjoy watching your favorite shows on AETV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.